Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok birthday something went wrong issue while signing up your TikTok account. So guys, if you are trying to create your TikTok account but whenever you put your birthday it appears wrong and give you the instruction that says TikTok birthday something went wrong. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here you can say this: if I am trying to add any birthday from here, it will not be added. So guys, here you can see this, it is not going to be added and it says something went wrong. And if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to your sign up page, and now you have to simply go to this question mark button, and from here go to other, and from here you have to tap on need more help, and here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem to the TikTok team from here, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.